Hello everyone. So today we're going to try to make some ice cream. I've already done my mixture here. I'm going to test out this new ice cream maker. So you just drop in the container like so. It says to here you have the mixer. I'm just going to take this off for the time being. Taking off the mixer, you just have the two buttons here to release it. I'm going to put the churner in, and let me make sure that I have everything lined up so that you want to make sure that you can lock this in place. Then you want to definitely get yourself ready. We're going to plop in the mixer, and let's see if we have this where it needs to be. Okay, it's locked in place. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to turn on, wow, that was quick. We're going to turn on the unit. Once you turn on the unit, let's see, then we're going to, as you can see, it turned itself back off. That was pretty quick. Turn on the unit. We want to press the menu button. This is the cooling. This is when it's going to start to actually cool. If you wanted to make the minutes higher, you certainly can here, but we're going to leave it right now at 30 minutes. And then, so right now it's in the cooling mode. It's just starting. You can hear it's pretty quiet, so no problems there. I will tell you that this is a pretty heavy machine, so be careful when you're lifting it when it's delivered. But right now it's in the cooling mode, and in a few moments after it counts down from that, we're going to start to churn it to make the ice cream. So this is it. This is my review of the UKKISO ice cream maker. It's pretty simple. The ingredients that I'm using is the ice cream mix. I have 1 cup of milk. I'm using 1% milk to cut down on the fat. 1 cup of half and half, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You put it all together, you mix it up nicely, and then you drop the tub in, and you're ready to get started. So after this cools up a while, we'll be ready to start churning, and then I will be sure to add some pictures of the finished product.